was just a kid when Mama left us. She packed her bags and kissed us all goodbye. I used to wonder if she really loved us. A mother ain't supposed to leave her child. To have her back was all that I could wish for, and I could sense my father's lonely heart. But then one day along came someone special and gave our broken family a new start. And a mother's love is like no other love. It's that tender love that holds you when it hurts. 'Cause when you can't have the best thing underneath the sun, sometimes second best is number one. I used to feel that there was something missing, but over time there's one thing that I learned: that life can sometimes take away a good thing to give us something better in return. And a mother's love is like no other love. It's that tender love that holds you when it hurts. 'Cause when you can't have the best thing underneath the sun, sometimes second best is number one. Ask myself why, Mama, don't you cry. I still love you more than words can say. But when you walked out, you left me in doubt until someone special came along. Sometimes second best is number one. Nowadays I'm busy counting blessings, and one by one they're all here in my heart. Can't have the best thing underneath the sun, sometimes second best is number one. If you can't have the best thing underneath the sun, sometimes second best is number one. Sometimes second best